Hi guys, my name is Gavin, and today I'll be showing you how to make a simple healing mechanism. I will be using Python, and I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's right click on this camera and hit X delete, and then right click on this light and hit X delete. Let's then go from defaults to game logic and go from Blender render to Blender game. Right click on this cube in the middle, and we're going to add two game properties to it. This first one will be an integer, and the second one will be a boolean. For the boolean, let's name it as heal, all lowercase. And for the integer, let's name it as health. Let's label it as 100. Next, what we're going to do is go inside of our scripts, or on our logic bricks area. Let's add an always sensor. Click these first three dots. Do a mouse sensor. I'll click tap, and I'll label it as left. Keep it on left button. Let's add another mouse sensor. And I'll name it as right. Click tap. And I'll put it at right button. Alright, let's then do add controller in Python right here and connect these. Alright, now what we're going to do is do templates, Python, then game logic simple. I drag this out and delete the portion that I've highlighted. Let's then hit control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. I'm going to rename this to script.py. Alright, I'm now going to define our left and right sensors by doing left is going to equal content sensors left. And right is going to equal content sensors right. Alright, now if we were to click these two eyes on our game property, so over here, and do game and then show debug properties, we can see that when we hit play, it'll label our health and our heal property up in the corner. What we're going to have it do is whenever we press the left mouse button, if we have health to take and we're not healing at the time, we're going to have it take damage. So let's have if left.positive and own heal is equal to false and own health is greater than or equal to 5. What we're going to do is have own health is going to minus equal 5. So if we hit play now, we should see that if we click, the health is going to go down, but we can't heal yet. So what we're going to do is have if right.positive. What we're going to do is have if own heal is equal to false. We're going to have own heal is equal to true. So it's going to set the heal property to true. And what this is going to do now is have if, actually before we do that, let's have if this is false and own health is less than 100. So if we're not at 100% health and we're not healing at the moment, it'll set the character to heal. Alright, what we're now going to do is have if own heal is equal to true, and own health is less than 100, which it should be, but what we're going to do is have own health is going to plus equal 1. But now what we're going to have happen is if we heal, I'm going to heal right now, it's going to go to 100, but we can't take any more damage because the heal property is still true. So our character is still healing even though he's at full capacity health. So what we're going to do is have if our character is done healing, so if own health is equal to 100, what we're going to do is have own heal is going to equal false. So if we apply now, we should be able to take damage. And if we right click, it'll heal, take damage, right click heal, right click damage, and right click heal. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. But for the time being, thanks for watching and have a good day. And here's the script just for one more second. Scroll out just a bit.